Claire's and the family do, so it's time for me and Pablo to do our first wild camp, get some things together. 5p off diesel, it's always good. Don't need a teddy bear, dude, you're a middle-aged man. So we get Pablo into the van and ready to go.
This is Claire, she's from Sheffield, and this is me, Andy, I'm from Tarn. We are husband and wife and come from a place many call God's country, Barnsley. The great thing about living in Barnsley is there's always somewhere different to be. This is where this beast of a man comes in. This is our self-converted camper van, St. Christopher of Atlantis. Talk about beasts, this is our wolf Pablo. He comes with us as our security. Having this van has made me the master of my universe. I can go wherever Claire says I can go when she says I can. If anyone can better that, then let me know in the comments section. Anyway, here's some stuff we did.
So we're going to use the app park for night. That doesn't look like the local area. Could go anywhere really. We're going to choose Castleton and Mam Tor. So we got there, we had a good sleep. This is the morning, we wanted to see the sunrise. So I set my alarm, it's looking good. The sun is just about peeking up and we've got a decent sky. So we're going to work his way up to Mam Tor. Pablo's not really sure what's happening. There's Mam Tor, you can see it just behind the trees. Ooh, there's Mam Tor with a cloud on top. Anyway, we're still excited, we're on his way up. Ooh, there's some other camper van people living van life. There are a few vans down there, it's on a little dead end road. Pretty cool place, nice and quiet. Still looking cloudy, but it could clear. Pretty cool to watch everybody just go about the business. There's a van lifer down there. This is a bit annoying. People leaving the rubbish up at the top, or near to the top. Great views, we can see plenty. We are very excited for this sunrise. So we got onto this step part of it. In fact, I think the best views are actually just off that little bit of a step. Another guy walking up. Everybody were pleasant as they always are. Walkers are always the most pleasant of people. It was cloudy. Well, didn't matter. We thought it was going to clear off by the time sunrise came about, which was 7:12. So we're making his way up. Not as fit as what I thought. Pablo is though. And we're near the top, and it is not very good. So it's pretty bleak, but there's plenty of people up there, so I'm thinking, well, this might happen. 7:12. Hoping for it to clear. Not looking good. I stood and I looked at that little pillar for a while and I thought, I'm not going to touch it. I ended up touching it. So this was it basically. That's the sunrise. It's not going to happen for us today, so we're going to make our way back down. Starts to clear down the bottom. That is one cool road. Anybody that's done Mam Tor, the views are fantastic. Even when it's like this, it's still good. National Trust, I am actually a paid up member. Didn't need to pay for parking though, thanks to Park for Night. And then when you get down to the bottom, you get all these absolutely amazing colours and you can see the sun, and it's well worth going whatever, just for the colours, and even if you're up in the clouds it's still epic. to our parking spot. Pablo's got muddy feet. Who cares? That looks like a painting to me. Bus stop, didn't see a bus, and there he is, St. Chris in all his glory. Time for a cup of coffee. And then we went down to the old hall of this Hope Tea Rooms, had a nice breakfast, and then we headed back, and that was our sunrise that didn't happen.